Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Syaiful Anam. I am from Cilacap in Central Java. Now I study at the University of Education Indonesia, majoring in elementary school teacher education. And my campus is not at Bandung but in Tasikmalaya. With the spread of COVID-19, lectures are held online. In the second semester, I study English with Mr. Erwin. My performance when attending English lecture was very enthusiastic. I attended lecture well, did all the assessment and collect them on time. The most challenging moment for me was when Mr. Erwin gave an assessment to find the classroom language expression and made it into a poster. At the time, our skill and creativity were used. I'm trying to find the classroom language and how to make a poster in Canva. The most interesting thing in my opinion is when I do a project text of making animated video, because this text allows me to have a video work and increase my skill in making animated video. The moment I'm most proud of for my effort is that I can do tasks that have never been done before, and when I can complete tasks on time, for example making poster and animated video. After I took English courses in the second semester, I learned about the English curriculum in elementary school, classroom language expression, English skill and components, English text in elementary school, making story about self-introductions, and digital storytelling. I have problem when I do my study assessment. It's difficult for me to make good vocabulary and I'm still lacking in pronunciation. Besides that, in doing animation video assessment, I also have difficulty editing and making sound for children. Then, I need time to understand the mature present. I want to learn how to pronounce and contrast vocabulary better, so that I can be more confident when speaking to other people. And I hope my score is A, sure. I hope to get an A because I have been doing well in class and always studying class. I work on assessment to the best of my ability and submit them on time. Thank you, Mr. Erwin, for the guidance and knowledge that has been given. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you.